Injalo ke uyanda. Mntanam uphuze itshela sipanje.
Ndiphuze umngqusho. Phuze amasi.
Qaphela amanzi akho uyanda ndindala kuwe.
Ndilibele.
Uyalibala.
Ndiyaxolisa. Lalo.
Uncilile, bona amehlo akho anjani?
These eyes are always like this. I took a shower, hence they are like this. After taking a shower, they're always like this. So I took a shower. I think the shower gel is the one of the things that caused this to be like this. With the shower gel.
And you think I believe what you're saying?
Yes.
Mntanam, humble.
Now, I don't drink water. I'm allergic to water. I don't drink water.
Uyanda ngizokushaya hamba.
Let me.
Ngizokushaya. Hamba njengamanje. Uze nayo la ngibona ukuthi uyaphuza. Lo mntwana uzothi papa ifafana. Ngishaya. Waphuze onke. Angihleki. Phuza amanzi. Waqeda uyanda. Phuza amanzi yawo. Very good.
Yeah. I'm no longer allergic to water.
Mama
I have more. Thanda isitudla sento.
Mntanam.
Thanda isitudla sento.
Mntanam.